My statement became inspire belief. I wanted to inspire others to believe in the best version of themselves, no matter where I'm at, no matter what I'm doing.
Knowing that you don't know gives you access to know more. The more you become aware to who you are on the inside, the more you connect with the outside world. I think that the more you know about yourself, the easier it is to communicate with others.
I'm thinking a hard truth is being told what you need to hear, not what you want to hear.
Eliminating hesitation, eliminating doubt, emphasizing trust. Those little things become the big things.
Being able to have those values, those principles of, I want to be authentic, I want to be humble, curious, I want to create an environment of inspiration so people feel like they can be the best version of themselves.
I was able to at least come to grips with, at some point you're going to be more than just a football player, more than being out there on the field. What is this like and how can I get ahead of it?
Good feedback should be depersonalized. Tone overrides content.
How do I, as a leader, develop an organization that connects? We all need to be connectors as individuals. It's essential, but it's not enough. We need to think about how we can develop organizations that connect.
A real leader understands it's not going to be perfect the first time. Where the real magic is going out and putting yourself out into the world and being vulnerable.
Being able to, no matter what the circumstance is around a coaching point, like you said, to be able to break through that fog or that sound or the noise and find that kernel of truth, I could take that and apply it.